So I have these Technics 1200 turntables, and they are the Mark V's, and I got them secondhand with these covers, which I guess given the time and years, they're not in bad shape. But I wanted to protect them better because these do not have the hinges on the back. And for the cost of the hinges, I figured I'd be better off getting these. So I'm going to remove these covers and try the new Decsaver covers. Now the packaging does have some rather thick, heavy-duty cardboard with some sharp staples. So I definitely recommend you be careful when removing it from the plastic bag. Here we are. Decsaver. They look to be in pretty good shape. Let's see how they fit. Nice, I like that. Nice and snug. A little bit of play. I'll probably get some felt strips and put it underneath the edge, probably in the corners, little felt dots, just to keep it up off the deck, not to damage it anymore than need be. Let's get that other one on there. This one also looks to be in good shape. Have it. Again, nice same snug fit. Now if I wanted to, I guess for storage I could stack them on top of each other because it's a nice flat cover with no bump, which is nice. Nice clear, you can see what's going on. Everything looks decent. All right. Of course, compared to the factory with the bump. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you got something out of the video. Please feel free to leave a like, consider subscribing, maybe even leave a comment. If you have any suggestions for a future video, please feel free to leave it down there in the comment section. All right, take care.